What's going on, guys? It's Calissa, and this makeup tutorial is a rose gold look. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Sorry my room's messy. I just did a makeup tutorial, so it's gonna be a little messy right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and subscribe and like this video if you think I should continue doing makeup tutorials. Yeah, so let's get right on to the video. So I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. stippling brush, and I'm going to use that to put moisturizer all over my face. I'm going to be using my Tarte Timeless Primer. I'm going to be using my Aurora Ipsy Pro Color Corrector on my face to cover up them spots that I got. I'm going to blend that in with my Beauty Blender. I'm going to use my Cover FX highlighter in the shade Moonlight to give my face a little shine. I'm going to use my damp Beauty Blender to blend that in. Then I'm going to be using my Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Fair Beige. It lasts up to 12 hours, and it's an oil-free makeup. Then I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Warm Porcelain. I'm going to blend with that damp Beauty Blender that I've been using the whole time. Next, I'm going to be using my NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Chantilly. Next, I'm going to be using my Luxie 239 Precision Brush to put the concealer on my face before I blend it. Then I'm going to blend again with the same Beauty Blender that I used for my foundation. Next, I'm going to use my NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Universal. I'm only going to be using the contour side. I'm going to dot it all in the spots that I need to contour. And I'm going to blend it all in so then it looks contoured and chiseled out. I'm going to be using my Tarte Smooth Operator powder to bake my face with the Crown brush. I'm going to use Butter Bronzer with my Real Techniques brush, it's the buffing brush. You don't have to add more bronzer since we already contoured our face with the NYX contour stick, but you can just skip this step if you want to. Then I'm going to be using a Precision Angled Brush by Royal and Langnickel. Then I'm going to be using my Crown brush to wipe off the powder that we just baked our face with. Then I'm going to be using my Luxie 514 blush brush. I'm going to be using my Tarte Feisty blush for today's tutorial. Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brow to do my eyebrows, which I kind of messed up. Sorry I didn't show my eyebrows that much. I messed them up, so I had to fix them. Now here are my eyebrows when I finally was finished fixing them, although I had to fix them a little bit more. Sorry I didn't get to show you guys my full eyebrows. I didn't really show you guys. I didn't really have the camera positioned in the right way. So I'll give you guys another brow tutorial later. Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette in the shade Eden. Just blend, blend, blend until you think that it looks shaded enough, and then go on to your next color. The brush I'm using right now is the Ipsy L34 Blending Beauty Brush. I'm going to be using my Ipsy T35 Precision Blending Brush with the shade Saturn for my crease. I'm going to blend that a little bit outwards, so it's kind of like showing a little bit over the crease, so it's not really your complete crease, but it's your crease. Next, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to use the shade Bossy. I'm going to be using my Sigma Blending E36 brush, and I'm just going to kind of lightly put that in my crease in the corner, so it kind of is showing, to darken up my corners a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my Sigma Shader Lid E56 brush with the shade Rose Gold. Now I'm just going to lightly put that on my lid so then I get that shiny rose gold look that I wanted. After I'm done shading, I do the other eye. I don't show you because I just showed you then. But then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glitter Liner in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm just going to put a little wing on my eye. So then it's a cute little rose gold eyeliner look. After I'm done doing my eyeliner, I'm going to curl my eyelashes just because I'm not going to be putting fake eyelashes on. I don't have any at the moment, so I'm just going to be using their real mascara on my eyes just so they look kind of natural. After I'm done putting that on, I use my Prism palette again with my Sigma Smudge E21 brush so I can put a little bit of pink underneath my waterline. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated palette in the shade Aura, and I'm going to just use a fluffy brush to put the highlighter on to brighten up my face. To seal the deal, I use my Tarteist lip paint in the shade Pillow Talk to seal the deal.
Roger, we'll stop Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending.
I hope you guys enjoyed that makeup tutorial I did for you guys. If you did like it, please leave a like and comment what I should do next. And hopefully you would like to subscribe to me to see more of these tutorials. I'm also going to have a main channel that I'm going to vlog and like post funny things and stuff. So look out for videos on that channel. I'll link it in the description down below. I'll also link all the social media stuff I'm on. Please give me some love on Musical.ly. My username is right here, Kaliss_15. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.